Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the TonyUp app on your mobile phone. TonyUp is a daily fitness app. In this application, all programs are designed for women, including yoga, pregnancy workouts, postnatal routines, strength trainings, and so on. So, to download it, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for TonyUp. As a result, you can see the application in the first option, TonyUp Workout and Fitness. Click on the app and over here, click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to open it and click on Allow to send notifications from TonyUp. Now, you can click on Continue to use this app and click on Allow to track your activities. Now, you can use this app either with Facebook or Apple, or you can log in or sign in and create your account here and enjoy its features for your fitness journey. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you, guys, for watching.